Welcome to Anil TV Education. Today we will discuss about 10th class. So third unit, human relationship. So here the A reading, B reading and C reading, it all consist about human relationship. How the human relationship changes in this modern world. So here it has been described. So in that A reading we discuss about the journey. So here the journey, it was written by Yeshi Dorji Tongche. So here the author name is Yeshi Dorji Tongche. So here first we discuss about the author. So about the author, Yash Dorje Tongche, born in May 1952, is a prominent name in Assamian literature. Though he grew up in poverty, he studied well and entered Arunachal Pradesh civil service and was later evaluated into the Indian Administrative Service. He writes frictions, dramas, and essays in Assami and English. He received a national recognition for his novel Mauna Ont Makkar Hidre. So here he got the Nobel Prize for Mona Otur Mugdar Hirde, which won the Sahitya Academy Award in 2005. So here the author Yash Dorje, born in May 1952, belongs to a prominent Assami literature. So he grew. So he born in a poverty. He studied well and entered into the Arunachal Pradesh civil. After that he evaluated and entered into the Indian Administrative Service. So he writes his dramas, fictions, essays. So he wrote in both the language, in Assami and in English. So here he received his national recognized for his novel Mauna Onto Mukkar Hirde. So in that he got Sahitya Academic Award in 2005. Many of Tongi's novels, including Sonam, deal with the culture life on the Monappa and the Shekdar tribes of Arunachal Pradesh. So here he describes about the tribal, so he belongs to a tribal people, so he describes about the tribal culture. So in this the journey we discuss that how the tribal peoples live, how they have the human relationships with one another. In this we will discuss it. Now comes to the lesson. So here look at the face sheet and read the following concepts from the diary. Old man, answer this. So by seeing this, as I sit here alone and waiting, I gaze at people's passed me by. I try to smile and reach out to them, but no one notices, no one waits. So they are looking to me like I am nothing. Are they afraid to be saying me hi to an old man like me? So here nowadays the generation has been changed. So here what happened? The old man is sitting outside. So in that village he came outside from his house and he is sitting in outside outside the veranda. So everyone passing near him, but no one has been recognized him and no one wished him. So here in this he wrote that being a old person, no one are recognizing him and no one are wishing him, no one is wanted to sit beside him. This is the way how the young peoples are treating with the old peoples. So here reading the journey. After spending a leisurely Sunday at home, they were thought of returning to work on Monday is tiring. Letty creepers in if the holidays continues over an extended period. This that is how I felt when I was preparing to return my place of work after spending 6 months at home. The fact that I was to leave behind my newly wed wife and go to a far off place did not help either. Obviously, I did not want to go. So here the author came to his home. So whenever he is working in another place, whenever he are getting an holiday, so here he is getting the leisure on Sunday. So at that time he come to his village to meet his parents and family members. So on the next day he have to go for the work. So here very thought of returning to work on Monday. So here theory creepers if in the holidays continues over an extended period. So lengthography. So here when the holiday comes next day working day is there. So at that time he came from to his village to meet his parents. Here he is not willing to go there place workplace, but he tried to remember and he went to that working place. That is how I felt when I was preparing to return my place of work after spending 6 months at home. So if we spend for one day, then only we are not interested to go for work on other day. So here the author has came for his village for 6 months. So he stayed here and he stayed his village. So here he is not willing to go to the workplace. So why? What is the reason behind that? So here the author is a belongs to a tribal tribal person. So he came, his parents are forced him to do the marriage, to do marriage him in his traditional tribal traditional. So he accepted his father's saying and he came to his village and he did marriage. So for that, for this all things he kept leave for 6 months. So here he passed his 6 months. Now it is a time to go for work. So he don't want to leave his family and his new wedding wife and to go far off place for work. So here he did not want to go. However, I feel I finally decided to go. I did not have much to carry by way of luggage, just a trunk. Ours is a hilly terrain without any motorable roads, and there is no certainty that we are ever going to have any roads. In any case, while coming home, we did not carry bedding. Besides, I had to come home in this time around for a specific purpose, to get married. So here so here he married newly. He completed his 6 months leave. So here he is not interested to go, but his responsibility made him to go. He finally decided to go. So I did not have much to carry any luggage. So they are staying in a hilly area. So the tribal peoples live in the forest hilly station. So there was no any vehicle facilities are not available. Ours is a hilly area, so without having any motorable, so any bus facilities or any vehicles are not there. So they want to travel by walk. So that's why if the author will carry heavy work, heavy luggage, it is difficult to walk on a hilly region. So he always preferred to carry less luggage to carry along with him. While he coming home, he did not carry bedding, so he did not carry any luggage. Simply he came with the trunk. Beside, he had to come this time around for a specific marriage, specific purpose to get married. So here he came with heavy luggage this time. Why? Because he came here to do marriage. So he get married. My parents had arranged my marriage according to the customs of our tribal society. Time flew and 5 months into my marriage, I realized it. So here his parents had arranged. So his parents had decided to do his marriage in a tribal tradition. So here tribal customs. So time flew. So he came for 6 months and time has been passed. So 5 months has been completed for his marriage. So he realized, initially I thought of extending my leave, even taking unpaid leaves. So he wanted, so he don't want to leave his newly wife. So he thought to extend his leaves. But after some dilly-dallying, I finally decided against it because marriage had increased my responsibility and I had got into debt. Dilly dallying is nothing but taking a long time to do something, go somewhere or make a decision. So he took some time to take the decision whether he want to go for work or he wanted to extend the leave. Finally he decided that he want to go for work. So he thought that after the completion of my marriage, I had I had increased my responsibility and I got into debt. So here whatever he gained that money, so he spent all sum of money in that marriage. So he decided to go for work. On my way home from the bus stop, my trunk has been carried by a porter. The problem now was we could not find anyone who could help me carrying the trunk to the bus stop. So here the author is coming from the home from the bus stop. Whenever he is coming from the bus stop, my trunk has been carried by a porter. So here, a person who carries a luggage. The problem was we could not find anyone could help me carry them. So here, present when he was returning from home to bus stop, there is no one to there is no one porter to carry the luggage. Another time of the year we would have easily find someone to help, but now most of the villages was busy in the field. So here whenever he visited to his village, at the time he find the laborers to carry the luggage, but this time he did not find anyone in the village to carry the luggage. Why? Because all the villagers are busy in the field work. Nobody had time to spare for me. In fact, carrying the trunk should not have been seen such a worry for me, except that my education had made me shun physical labor. So here he is saying that nobody has time to spend for me. So every people in the village are busy in the field work. If in fact carrying a trunk should not be have been such a worry, expect me. So here the so here the author who is there, so he is also not willing to carry his own luggage. Why? Because he thought that I had made my education. So he thought that my education had me stunned. Stun is nothing but So he thought that I am a well educated person, so I should not carry such luggage. If there is any labor or porter, I can give them money to carry my luggage, but I will did not carry my own luggage. After all, I am a government officer, and the idea of the people seeing me, my own luggage, was not at all amusing. So here he is thinking that I am a well educated person, I am a government officer. So being a government employee, why I should carry my luggage? So he is feeling guilty to carry his own luggage. Otherwise, for a young man like me, it should have been an issue to carry it 20 kilometers just on my back. So here, if I am not a well educated person, or I am not, if I am not a government officer, so in the place of me, other person will, if in the place of me, if other person is there, he could carry his luggage on his chest, on his back. But being a government employee and I am a well educated, I will not carry my luggage. So here author is thinking like that. Finally, my father came up with a solution. Don't worry, I myself will you see you off at Dairang. So here he is saying that don't worry son, don't worry son, I came with a solution. So what is that? I will come and I will come to the bus stop and I will carry your trunk. So whatever the luggage is, here the father is ready to carry the son's luggage. I protested how I could allow my father to carry my trunk. What would people think? What would they say? But I failed to dissuade him. It was decided that father would carry the chest. So here nothing but box or trunk. I protested. How can I say to carry my luggage to my father? So being a father, so I am a government officer. How I can say to my father to carry a luggage? How would the people think about me? What would they say? So but he inside, from the inside of the heart, so he is not willing to carry his luggage. Why? Because he was shunned. So is thinking that I'm a government officer, whatever it, let him, if father is interested to carry the luggage, let him carry, but I will not carry my luggage. A large crowd gathered at the place the day I was to leave. People had came to wish me luck. It was 10:20 when I left for Dairang. My father had already left. So here, when he was leaving from home, so all the peoples are gathered at there when he was leaving. People came to wish him luck. So here everyone came there and said the wishes for him. At the time was 10:20 when I left Dairang. So here his father is father is carrying the luggage, no, so that's why he traveled little bit early from him. As I had to do a bit of catching up, I walked fast 3 kilometers down the road. I catch up with my father. So here, as I had to do a bit, so here his father has started early, no, so here the author want to catch his father. So here the author walked fastly. So he traveled 3 kilometers down the road. So he is a hilly station. He walked for 3 kilometers to catch the road. I catch up with my father. So finally, he catch his father. Father said, "You are late. Would you like to rest for some time?" So here, his father is saying that you are late. So if you want to take rest, can you take rest? He is asking. సో ఇక్కడ ఒక ఒక ఆథర్ ఏం చేస్తాడు, కొన్ని సండే కానీ ఎప్పుడైతే అతను ఎక్కడో వర్క్ చేస్తాడు. సో వర్క్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి హాలిడేస్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వస్తాడు. సో ఎప్పుడైతే అతను సండే వస్తాడో మండే వర్క్కి వెళ్ళాలంటే అతనికి ఇష్టం ఉండదు. అరే ఇంకా హాలిడేస్ ఉంటే బాగుంటే, ఇక్కడనే ఉంటే బాగుండే అని అనుకుంటాడు. సో ఫర్ 1 డేకి అతను అలా ఆలోచిస్తే అతనికి ఒక 5 months, ఒక 6 months కోసం అతను ఇంటికి వస్తాడు. ఎందుకు ఇంటికి వస్తాడంటే ఏంటి, వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ వాళ్ళు ట్రైబల్ తాండాలో ఉండే సంప్రదాయం ప్రకారంగా వాళ్ళ బాబుని పెళ్లి చేసాం అనుకుంటారు. అలా వచ్చేసరికి అతనికి ఏమవుతుంది, అతను మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి వస్తాడు. సో అతను వచ్చి మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకొని 5 months అయిపోతుంది. మళ్ళీ 6 months కంప్లీట్ అయ్యేసరికి అతను ఏంటి జాబ్కి జాయిన్ కావాలి. సో అతను వచ్చేంత వరకు అతనికి వచ్చిన తర్వాత మ్యారేజ్ అవన్నీ చేసుకునేసరికి 6 months టైం అయిపోతుంది. అప్పటికి అతనికి వర్క్కి వెళ్ళే టైం అయిపోతుంది. సో అప్పుడు అతను ఆలోచిస్తాడు, ఇంకా కొన్ని రోజులు లీవ్ ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకోవాలని అనుకుంటాడు. తర్వాత ఏమనుకుంటాడు, అరే అట్లా ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసుకోవద్దు, ఇంకా ఖర్చులు అనేవి పెరిగినాయి కాబట్టి నేను వర్క్కి వెళ్ళాలి అని అనుకుంటాడు. ఫైనల్ డిసిషన్గా లాస్ట్కి ఏమనుకుంటాడు, ఎలా అయినా సరే నేను వర్క్కి వెళ్తా అనుకుంటాడు. వర్క్కి వెళ్తా అనుకుంటాడు. ఇంకేమనుకుంటాడు, సో ఎప్పుడైతే వాళ్ళది హిల్లీ స్టేషన్, సో హిల్లీ ఏరియాలో అతను ఉండేది ప్లేసు, వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీ ఉండే ప్లేస్ హిల్లీ ఏరియా. అక్కడ ఏంటి బస్ వెహికల్ ఫెసిలిటీ కానీ ఏ వెహికల్ ఫెసిలిటీ కానీ ఉండదు. ఎప్పుడైనా అతను వాళ్ళ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలంటే నడుచుకుంటూనే వెళ్ళాలి. సో అతను ఎప్పుడు వచ్చినా ఏంటి, అతని సూట్ కేస్ బ్యాగ్లో తక్కువ లగేజ్ తీసుకొని వస్తాడు. కానీ ఈసారి పెళ్ళి కాబట్టి అతను ఏంటి ఎక్కువ లగేజ్ తీసుకొని వస్తాడు. సో ఆ లగేజ్ ఇప్పుడు అక్కడి నుంచి సో బస్ స్టాప్ నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలంటే అక్కడ ఎవరో ఒకళ్ళు లగేజ్ క్యారియర్ని కూలీ వాళ్ళని పిలిపించి మోసుకొని తీసుకెళ్తాడు. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, అక్కడ నుంచి అతని ఇంటి నుంచి బస్ స్టాప్కి తీసుకురావాలంటే అక్కడ ఎవరు కూలీలు దొరకరు. సో అప్పుడు అతను ఏంటి ఆలోచిస్తాడు, అరే ఒక్కొక్కరికైనా నేను మనీ ఇచ్చి వస్తా అంటే అప్పుడు ఎవరు రారు, అక్కడ ఎవరు ఉండరు. సో అందరూ ఏంటి ఆ విలేజ్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ ఫీల్డ్ వర్క్లో బిజీ ఉంటారు కాబట్టి ఎవరు రారు. సో అప్పుడు అతను వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ డిసైడ్ చేస్తాడు, సరే ఎవరు రాకుంటే నేనే వచ్చి తీసుకెళ్తాను. సో అప్పుడు అతను ఏమనుకుంటాడు, సరే మా నాన్న వస్తా అన్నాడు కదా అనుకుంటాడు. ఇంకొకటి ఏమనుకుంటాడు, అరే మా నాన్నతోని ఈ వెయిట్ లగేజ్ క్యారీ చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుంది అని అనుకుంటాడు. ఇంకొకటి ఏమనుకుంటాడు, అది ఏమైనా సరే నేను ఒక గవర్నమెంట్ ఆఫీసర్ని, నేను ఇంత చదువుకున్నా, నేనెందుకు నా లగేజ్ మోయాలి. సో ఒక డబ్బులు ఇద్దామంటే ఎవరు మనుషులు దొరుకుతలేదు కదా, మా నాన్ననే కదా మోస్తే ఏమున్నది, ఏం తప్పు లేదు కదా, నేను మా నాన్నతో చేపిస్తాను, కానీ నేను మాత్రం మొయ్య అని అతను డిసైడ్ అవుతాడు. సో అతను ఏం చేస్తాడు, ఇంట్లో నుంచి వెళ్ళేటప్పుడు అక్కడ చుట్టుపక్కల విలేజ్ వాళ్ళందరూ వచ్చి అతను వెళ్తున్నాడని క్షేమంగా వెళ్ళిరా అని చెప్తారు. అప్పుడు అతను ఏంటి బయలుదేరుతాడు. అతను రోడ్డు రీచ్ కావడానికి 3 kilometers వెళ్తాడు, నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్తాడు. కానీ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్ వెయిట్ లగేజ్ తీసుకొని వెళ్తున్నాడు కాబట్టి అతనికన్నా ముందు ఇతను 10-20కి బయలుదేరితే అతను ఏంటి దానికన్నా ముందే బయలుదేరుతాడు. అతను రీచ్ అయ్యేసరికి వాళ్ళ నాన్న ఏమంటాడు, నువ్వు లేట్గా వచ్చినావు, నేనే తొందరగా వచ్చినా అంటాడు. సో ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు 3 kilometers నడిచి వచ్చినావు కదా, నీకు ఏమైనా రెస్ట్ కావాలన్నా అంటే నాకు కావాలి, నేను రెస్ట్ తీసుకుంటా అంటాడు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.